Matapos nga ang matagal na pag-iintay ng mga netizen kung nagkabalikan nga ba si Jan Estrada at Priscilla Meireles, ito'y dahil na rin sa mga post photo na kung saan ay nakikita nga na magkasama sila Priscilla at mukhang nagkasundo na nga. Dito ay inilathala na nga ni Priscilla Meireles kung ano nga ba ang totoo o tunay na estado ng relasyon nila ngayon ng kanyang asawa. Ayaw na raw makipagbalikan ni Priscilla Meireles kay Jan Estrada. Ito nga ang kanyang naging prangka na pag-amin. Ang beauty queen na si Priscilla Meireles ay nagsalita kamakailan lamang matapos nga siyang ma-interview ng isang batikang journalist na si Karen Davila. Dito ay inireveal na nga ni Priscilla na ilang beses daw siya na sinuyo ng kanyang asawa na si Jan Estrada. Ngunit suko na ito at sarado na nga raw ang kanyang puso. He does constantly. Yan ang naging sagot ni Priscilla. Sagot ng celebrity mom nang tanungin nga ito kung sinusubukan ba siyang balikan muli ng aktor. Say pa ni Priscilla, it's a little bit flattering because there's a lot of assumptions online. I get comments like she's losing weight because she wants her husband back. He doesn't want to do anything with you, move on, things like that. The thing is that it does not come from what happened. Paliwanag ni Priscilla. Ipinunto nga ni Priscilla na ipinunto ng Miss Globe International 2003 na simula pa lamang ng kanyang desisyong iwan si John ay wala na nga daw siyang intensyon na balikan pa ito. Aniya, I left our house with my daughter, so we are not sharing a home, and it has been for a while. I did that. I don't think anyone who leaves their home has the intention of getting their husband back. Say pa ni Priscilla. Yeah, the book is closed. Yan ang kanyang naging matapang na pahayag nang tanungin nga kung naka-move on na ba siya sa kanilang relasyon. Say pa niya, if there's something that he and the people like him need to learn is that you cannot over and over treat people with lack of respect, especially the ones that are good to you. Binigyan din ng diin ang Brazilian beauty queen na hindi siya yung tipong taong basta-basta na lamang nagbabago ang desisyon pagdating sa ganitong sitwasyon. Anyway, hindi naman lingid sa marami o sa lahat na matagal din talagang nagtiis si Priscilla. Ilang beses niyang binigyan ng chance itong si Jan Estrada. I know that he has high hopes that maybe one day the way I feel changes. I don't think so because I'm the type of person that's when I step out of the room, I'm gone. So I fight until the last minute, until my last breath, but once I decide no more, it's no more. Say pa niya, well, hindi siya likas na tao na kayang mag-adjust sa estilo na pamumuhay ni Estrada na ay friendly at colorful. Let's just say Jan is a very friendly guy. That's not the only problem in any relationship. I think that's just the tip of the iceberg. Eventually, people tend to do the things that they are accustomed to. I think maybe John lives such a colorful life where he used to doing anything that pleases him and people just need to adjust around. The problem is that he married me and I don't adjust. Yan pa ang paliwanag ni Priscilla. My message to John, I have no regrets. We had a wonderful life despite all the roller coasters. I do have high regards for him. I do respect him as the father of my daughter, and I am grateful that he's a good provider. He always says that he loves me so much, and I believe he does in his way. Yan ang naging pakayag ni Priscilla, at yun na nga, tinuldukan na niya ang pagiging mag-asawa nila ni Jan Estrada. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.